Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Hey, this is Brian and Aiden from Garage Mall. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we have a kid's wooden toolkit.
Yeah.
Pretty exciting?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open up, see everything we get inside. So there is a bunch of parts. Oh, looks like it is pretty well together, I think. Let's get this unwrapped. So, whoop, careful. Yeah. Whoa. So it looks like everything is pretty well wrapped together. And it looks like, all right, so this came apart to one shipping, but it looks like this goes here. Just kind of give you an idea. Let me put it together and then I'll show you. So it basically has those bolts and nuts in there. And then let's get this pushed up into place. And then we'll just tighten that into, and then I think we'll put all the wraps over here. Here, pour them all out on the table. Then we'll use this bag to put all the pieces in.
Oh, don't try.
Got a bunch of little gears.
Oh.
What kind of other tools are here?
What? Hi.
Hey, hand me that paper. You got it? Okay, so that's the vise. I guess you can probably put that anywhere on here.
Monkey.
And then so we'll take a bolt, put that down in there. Oh, and it's threaded, so you don't need a nut on the end. You just kind of bolt that down. Where's your screwdriver? You have your screwdriver?
Over here.
Oh, okay. So, tighten that down. Ready?
Yeah.
So, I'm a little closer. Okay. Tighten down. That's good. Okay. And need another.
Hammer.
Need another bolt. Put another bolt there.
Bolt.
No. Bolt. Just put that in the hole. Right there. Okay.
Hammer.
You can hammer if you want. Alright, where's your screwdriver?
Over here.
Okay.
Do it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, just tighten that down. Oh, it is. It is slippery, yeah. So it has some. Oh yeah, that goes on there. Put that on there. Grab that handle. Put that on there. Got it? Cool. So that's your vise.
Come that way.
Yeah, you can go both ways. Pretty cool. Do you want to put the gears on here?
Yeah.
Okay, so tighten that back up.
Yep.
Tighten that back up. Okay, so it's got like some graphic for the gears on here.
Big gear.
Okay, so where's the big gear go?
Over here.
Right, okay, good. Now you got some smaller gears?
Smaller gears.
Okay.
Over here.
Over there, okay. Now grab a bolt and we'll put that, we'll center that.
Books.
The bolt goes there, yep. No, other way. Turn the other way. Okay, yep. There you You gotta go straight. Okay, you have another bolt for this gear?
Hammer.
Or you can use a hammer.
Oh, it's screwdriver.
Okay, here's the screwdriver. Okay, so screw that down. Oh, you want me to do it again? Okay. So,
Come in.
we tighten
Oopsie.
that down. And you got the vise going over there. Pretty cool. Do you know what the nails are?
Yeah.
Show me a nail. Okay. Yep, that's a nail. Nope, you had it. That's a nail. So, and there it kind of shows where you can put the nails in. Okay. Where's your hammer? There it is. Okay, hammer. Whack it. Okay, maybe not whack it that hard. And put that other one in over there.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Go ahead. And then we can put our tools up here. Turn that around.
Big one.
Yeah, I think the hammer goes there.
Nope.
Yep. Screwdriver. I think the hammer goes in this way. Let me see. Hammer goes in that way. So all your tools, and then you got a bunch of little other gears and parts and stuff like that. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, done.
Okay. Lots of fun. Okay. All right. Let's get to playing. Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching. And be safe out there. Where are you going?
Play.
You're gonna play? Okay. Come here.